Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix the issue of Microsoft Store missing on Windows 11. This is a common issue that can occur after updates or system changes. Don't worry, just follow these steps and Microsoft Store will be back up and running. First, you need to check if the Windows Store install service is enabled. To do this, press Windows R, type services.msc, and press Enter. In the list of services, look for Windows Store Install Service. You can sort the services by name and press the M key to jump directly to the list of services starting with M, which will make it easier to locate. If the service is set to disabled, right-click on it, select Properties, and change the startup type to Automatic. Then click Apply and restart your computer. If Microsoft Store still doesn't appear, you can reinstall it using PowerShell. Press Windows X and select Windows Terminal. Right-click and select Run as Administrator. In the terminal, type the following command, press Enter. I will leave this command in the description below. You can copy it and paste it into the command prompt on your computer. This process will reinstall Microsoft Store. Once it's completed, restart your computer and check again. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button to support the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.